How to tell if someone is having a nightmare? Have you ever wondered how to tell if someone is having a nightmare? It can be quite distressing to see someone going through a bad dream, and understanding the signs can help you support them better. First, let's talk about what happens during a nightmare. Nightmares are vivid, disturbing dreams that can wake a person up, often leaving them feeling scared, anxious, or upset. These dreams usually occur during the REM stage of sleep, which is why they tend to happen closer to waking time. So, how can you identify if someone is having a nightmare? Here are some key signs to look out for. Disturbing themes. The person might be experiencing dreams with themes that are disturbing or upsetting, such as death, physical threats, or personal conflicts. Even though you might not know the exact details of the dream, their reactions can give you a clue. Physical reactions. If someone is having a nightmare, they might sit upright in bed, wake up feeling anxious, or have an increased heart rate and breathing. They could also be sweating or feeling shaky. Emotional responses. Nightmares can cause strong emotions like fear, anger, or sadness. You might hear them crying, screaming, or shouting during the dream. After waking up, they may still feel these emotions intensely. Memory of the dream. Unlike night terrors, people who have nightmares usually remember the details of their dreams. They might be able to describe the disturbing imagery and emotions they felt. Wakefulness. A person having a nightmare will typically wake up from the dream, whereas someone experiencing night terrors will remain asleep despite showing signs of distress. Difficulty returning to sleep. Nightmares can make it hard for the person to fall back asleep due to the lingering fear or anxiety. They might feel alert and oriented but still be struggling with the aftermath of the dream. Behavior after waking. After a nightmare, the person might be more alert and awake, but they could also be disoriented for a few moments. They may need some time to calm down and feel safe again. If you notice these signs, it's important to be supportive. Sometimes just being there and offering comfort can help the person feel better. Encourage them to talk about their dream if they're willing, and help them relax with calming activities or a soothing environment. Understanding these signs can help you identify when someone is having a nightmare and provide the support they need to feel better.